Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
走马哥，
让我们一起进入客家文学的世界。
Hello everyone, it's time to learn literature in Hakka. Let's take a listen to this piece brought to you by Zheng Guihai, and it's called 夜河。
日時頭唔想佢話，咩冇必要佢本人看。連啱熱落後山，也是停神風用來。也合啲客家人錄卡田煙，點點打開自家嘅體香。後來年無愛也合，嫌兒班也爭開桂花款。阿迷茫嘅田沙路空，保得面嘅歡迎家，調則叫你一合桂錄卡。路路面嘅客家歡迎家，路邊面嘅客家歡迎家，無限到班呀，爭盤路公批到響。班呀，路公熱身法攀，表滿家眼神，法響體響本唔錢。
So this one again is called 夜河, and it's Zheng Guihai's most classic gentle Hakka poem. This doctor-turned-poet first published the piece in his 2001 poetry collection. It's called Hometown Nightfall. Now, the poem compares the sweet fragrance of the coconut magnolia to traditional Hakka women. During the day, they toil tirelessly, but at night, they become gentle like the flowers. The poem is not only Zheng's love letter to his wife, but it is also a tribute to the generation of Hakka women whose resilience and vitality are unmatched. All right, Leo, 我们这个客家诗词呢叫做什么？夜河嘛，
呀哈，
也是这个曾贵海医生的作品，这是这几个人我们在介绍的。
没错。
来介绍一下里面的内容好了。
好，呀哈，这是一个花的名称呢，它用这朵花来形容这个客家的女性。好，这个花呢，它是白天才开，但是呢，他又说开花不想让人家看到。其实客家妇女呢，在南部工作的时候，她平常就会把头包起来，戴着头巾。第一个呢，因为天气太热太阳非常大，
是，
所以呢，要把自己的那个龙眼把它包起来，只留给爱的人欣赏。
也是。
那第二个特征呢，就是它在族群的一个对照譬如说，他有讲到说，后肉你某爱呀哈，就是闽南不爱夜河，因为它是晚上才开，大家都觉得说这个花可能不太吉利，但是却是很符合这个客家妇女的一个特性啊。
很好 ，very beautiful poem about Hakka women. So let's teach you some of the phrases that were brought up, including the name of the poem, which is called 夜河 Yahab, and then it's about Hakka women day and night. So 白天怎么说？
日時頭
and then the evening hours 晚上就是傍晚的时候
臨暗
and there you have it. It's all about learning literature in Hakka. Thank you so much for listening.
上大家
漢子細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.